Hi all, see this is a problem regarding a series summation, and always in the series summation kind of problem is always tricky because each and every problem have their own tricks. Okay, so here also you have to use some tricks. So first we have to understand that. So let's go ahead and consider the sum S, where S is actually that given term, right? So let's consider that. Okay, now what is this sum, right? You can understand that this is the application of this summation form. That's why if I substitute k equal to 1, we get 1 by 2 or 2 to the power 1, 2 by 2 square, 3 by 2 to the power cube, and so on, right? So let's first go ahead and expand this, right? Now this is obviously the equation number 1. Now to solve it, right, we just have to multiply both sides of this equation by 1 by 2. So if I multiply that, okay, so only the things here we have to follow that if I multiply, I just have to write each and every term by just one shift. So what is the meaning of one shift? That if I multiply that 1 by 2 to the power 1, we'll get 1 by 2 square, right? So that I wrote just just below to the next term. Why? It is simply because we are going to subtract now. To do the subtraction, we can easily subtract this, right? Because both cases are actually having the same denominator. Similarly for here, 20 and 19 gives you 1 to the power 20 and so on. So if I subtract it, right, 1 and 2, we'll get 1 by 2s, that is definitely in the left hand side, and the right hand side 1 by 2 to the power 1, 2 minus 1, that gives you 1, so that 2 square, 3 minus 2 gives you the second term, and so on, right? And obviously this last part is left hand, so we just keep it. Okay, now observe carefully that whatever that sum is written in that curly bracket, that's actually a GP series with the first term 1 by 2, and obviously we are having the number of terms is 20, and what is the common ratio? The common ratio is also equal to 1 by 2, right? So that's it. So therefore we can easily add them together. So if we able to add them together, right, what is the formula of a GP series? We know it is A into 1 minus 1 by r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. That's sum of GP series. Okay, so let's apply that and we get this formula, right? Now your job is to eliminate them. So it is 1 minus half, so 1 minus and half get cancelled. You will get 1 minus 2 to the power 20 and all that stuff. So therefore if we calculate it, right, we'll get the final answer as 1 minus 11 by 2 to the power 20, that is 1 by 2s. So what is S? We just have to multiply both sides by 2 again, and then we can obviously get our final answer as 2 and 11 by 2 to the power 19. So therefore, obviously by this process we can understand that for this particular problem, obviously in my case that answer A is the right choice. And that's it. So only the tricks on this problem is that we have to multiply both sides by half and write a shift and then subtraction. Okay, so these are the summation kind of problem that only be useful and easy if you remember the tricks, or if you identify that how the tricks can be applied. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so hope you understood this problem. Thank you.